atua te tīmatanga, te whakamutunga o te ao. Kia koe, Mr. Wiki, mahau I tūpera I tō tātou rā. Nei rā no te mihi aroha kia koe. Kia rātou mākua huriki tū o te ārai. Hai mai rā. Huri no hoki kia tātou nā kanohi ura. Ka humunu whānui. O kukui o krau o whakeke. Nei rā no te mihi aroha, te mihi mai ora kia koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā no tātou katoa. Yeah, it has been a long time since I stood here to have a bit of a waiata. I remember in 1997 when the gym was opened. I think that was the first time I ever stood to sing for Hatohohepa. So, Ms. Hingi, Liana, for this honour to sing for you all. Yeah, so how are you guys all feeling? Kei te pā? So beautiful to be here and so lovely to see you all. I'm just going to sing a few waiata. Okay. The first one is called Koha Mai, and I hope you enjoy. So quiet. Down the back from what years, 1997 to 2001. Kia ora koutou, and I see our baby has come, our waka baby, our tarawa baby. This next waiata is just about the stars, because our beautiful girls are our stars. And I wish you all well on your hiding up to Europe. It's a beautiful place over there. Singing and doing what I do, I've been able to travel over there as well, so you guys are in for a treat. Just stay away from Amsterdam. Kore te mai koutou. It's been a while since I had a jam on the raku. Usually my brother's usually next to me having a jam of that waiata. But here we just give it a go, I guess. This next waiata is a waiata that is very close to my heart. I remember when we wrote it, when I say we, I mean JJ, my brother and I, we were over in Seattle, and he really wanted to come back home because there was a tangihanga at home of one of his koros that he really looked up to. So this waiata was, I guess, a therapy for him because he was inconsolable. So he was in the room and he came up with these chords and he goes, "Oh, Maisey, can you do this? Ooh, ooh." So that was his yearning to come back to this tangi, but we couldn't get back because we had mahi to do. So I'd like to share this waiata with you all. It was also written around the time of the Petro Brass wanting to drill in our in the Rokumara Basin, you know, and that's our kai cover, it's our moana, so we have to protect our moana, our waterways, and our whenua. A healthy waters, a healthy whenua equals a healthy people. So that's another reason why this waiata was written and it came out when it did. So this is Tangaroa Whakamauta. I feel like kia ora.
Papa urut